You're going live.
Oh, yeah, so I'm live now, okay? Hey, everybody, it's Steve Garfield from stevegarfield.com, and we're live at New Media Expo, and we're in a great session with Tim Street telling us all about how to make videos, all the secrets, really great secrets. And I met some really cool people who were shown up on the big screen, the Vacationeers. So here they are, and let's see. So your badge, you're Jeff, because you told me, right?
I don't have the badge to even get into this conference. I have the wrong one.
Whoa. And
I'm Kevin Brennan.
And then over here?
I'm filling in for Todd Berger.
Oh, okay, Todd. Good to see you, Todd.
We're also missing one more guy, Blaze Millers.
Okay, Blaze, great. So Tim showed a video that was pretty funny, this Googling series. Yep. So the website where all this comedy stuff is on is the Vacationeers?
Yeah, the Vacationeers is a comedy group together about 2 years, combination of UT film graduates and Second City alumni from Chicago. And we've been kind of working on this for about 2 years, and the Googling is our series that's sort of kind of gotten the most traffic to date.
Yeah, it's a 5-part series. It started with our first viral video. It's called Google Maps, and hopefully a few of you out there have seen it.
So where would people go to find that if they want to see it?
You can go YouTube. You can go to our website. You can go to break.com.
Yeah, you can go to
search for
YouTube /
Okay.
I'll go to
it's
YouTube, and then it's The Vacationeers, and it's spelled T-H-E, the word vacation, and then add E-E-R-S. And then our website's also www.thevacationeers.com.
Okay, cool. Branding. There you go.
But yeah, it's a 5-part series. Go check them all out. We still have one that's still kind of under wraps that we're waiting to release. It'll be released at the end of this month. But keep an eye out for that if you like the first 4.
Okay, and what else you guys working on?
We got a big movie, big feature film we just wrapped on. It's called The Scenesters, and it was written and directed by Todd Berger, who is not with us today.
Not this Todd Berger.
Not this Todd Berger.
The redheaded kid.
Todd Berger.
Yeah. And it's starring all of the Vacationeers. Jeff and I produced it, and yeah, it's going to be coming out.
So how did you get interest from you guys? Is this your first movie?
Yeah.
Was it the web stuff that they saw?
The web content basically got us a lot of attention in the industry, and so through that, people were like, why don't you guys make a movie or a TV series? And we're like, well, we have a script that we want to. Todd had written a script, and we're like, let's make this movie. We can do it for the budget that we raised money ourselves, but it seemed like everyone kept going back to the Googling series, and that was sort of like, we are one of those, I think, the success stories where like the internet and the fan base we built up there has allowed us to like go on to like traditional media.
Much easier to tell investors it was all through private investors, so it's easier to tell our dentist in Texas, like, hey, go watch our web videos, and we're just basically going to do that as a big movie. And he says, yeehaw.
Okay, cool. So if people want to kind of follow that movie, where would they go for that? The same, your website?
Separate website.
Oh, you do? Good.
For the movie, it's called thescenestersmovie.com. Scenesters is spelled S-C-E-N-E-S-T-E-R-S. And it's thescenestersmovie.com.
And there's information about it at both our YouTube and our Vacationeers page too. So, and we should have a little bit of a B-roll preview coming out this week or next. And if you guys are out in Los Angeles and want to see an advanced screening, contact us. We might have a seat for you at our screening later this month.
Okay, very cool. So this is Steve Garfield from stevegarfield.com reporting live from New Media Expo. We'll catch you later.